2025 is shaping up to be the year when AI will not just assist, but transform industries in ways we've never imagined. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI breakthroughs that are set to revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance. And trust me, you won't want to miss these. Let's get started. First up, healthcare is getting a major upgrade thanks to AI. In 2025, AI-powered diagnostic tools will be able to identify diseases like cancer and heart conditions earlier than ever before, sometimes even before symptoms appear. These systems use deep learning algorithms to analyze medical images, genetic data, and patient histories at lightning speed, detecting patterns that would be impossible for a human doctor to catch. Imagine catching a tumor before it spreads, or identifying a genetic disorder years in advance. AI is making that possible. And the best part? These tools are only getting more accurate and accessible. Next, we're seeing AI take on the bad guys in the financial world. AI-driven fraud detection is becoming more sophisticated in 2025, able to analyze thousands of transactions per second to detect suspicious activity in real time. Unlike traditional methods, AI learns from every interaction, improving its accuracy over time and spotting even the most subtle signs of fraud before it happens. With billions of dollars lost each year to financial fraud, AI is helping protect businesses and consumers alike. And the best part? It's doing it faster and more accurately than any human team could ever dream. AI is also playing a huge role in accelerating drug discovery. In 2025, AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing massive datasets of molecular structures, predicting how new drugs will behave in the human body before they even hit the lab. This is slashing development times and costs for new treatments, especially for rare diseases that often don't get the research funding they deserve. By pairing AI with biomedical research, we're witnessing the creation of treatments that could have taken decades, now shortened to just a few years. Life-saving drugs are being developed at record speed, all thanks to AI. In manufacturing, AI-enhanced robotics are taking precision to a whole new level. In 2025, factories are becoming smarter with robots that can autonomously adjust to changing production lines, predict equipment failures before they happen, and optimize supply chains in real time. This means less downtime, fewer mistakes, and greater efficiency, all powered by AI. AI-powered robots are working alongside humans to produce everything from electronics to cars faster, and with more accuracy than ever. The future of manufacturing is lean, green, and powered by AI. And finally, AI is helping us fight one of the biggest challenges of our time: climate change. By 2025, AI models are being used to predict climate patterns, optimize renewable energy grids, and even improve agricultural practices to reduce carbon emissions. From monitoring deforestation to improving energy efficiency in homes and businesses, AI is becoming a key player in the battle to save our planet. With the help of AI, we're making smarter, more sustainable choices that could help us tackle climate change more effectively and faster than ever before. 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing year for AI, with breakthroughs that will not only transform industries but also improve lives across the globe. From healthcare to climate change, AI is no longer the future. It's here today, revolutionizing how we live, work, and thrive. So, what do you think? Which of these AI breakthroughs are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.